What's your completely unacceptable name? Let's take a minute.
Okay, well, let's look back up at the don'ts.
Oh, here's some questions at the bottom.
Okay, we'll go anti to all these questions.
Yeah. Well, it's just, do I have an acceptable prefix? Which I think we gotta go through our rules and find.
Let's make the name first and then come back to these questions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, no celestial objects. No dreaming.
What about an asteroid? Because that's both a celestial object and like a rare or semi-precious stone.
It's pretty good. Is there a prettier name, like, asteroid term?
Meteor?
Space debris.
You know, what if we take the name of like a planet or moon? That'll also cover the no spiritual or references. Let's look at some of these Jupiter moons.
I'm a fan of Titan.
Oh, I could be a real big cat.
Titan.
Big boy.
Fall.
We can't do that. We'll get sued.
Just bleep it out.
Titan Soul.
Is that a thing? It also feels like a thing.
It feels like it should be a thing.
Yes, it is a thing.
Fuck.
This is
video
hard.
game.
You know, naming warriors is hard.
Titan Summer.
Titan Summer. Titan Bone.
Mega Titan Bone Clan.
Titan Dream.
What if we do like Hades or something for the goth factor?
Oh yeah.
Hades. Fur.
Hades Dream.
Hades' dream?
It's his wife before she divorced him.
I feel like the second part of the name is harder to like.
Yeah, it's harder to go against.
What if we do some word mashing? What if it's Hades Clips?
Oh shit. Hades Clips.
Hades nuts.
Hades Clips.
I like Hades Clips. It breaks many rules.
I'm really a fan of it.
How does it represent our cat?
They're evil.
Okay.
They're evil and they live in darkness.
Okay.
Hence the eclipse.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I
think they have big teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But it also sounds like they started like a local competitor to Great Clips.
Well, that's what they have the big teeth for, is to give the other cats haircuts. So they have to give all the other cats emo bangs.
Yes.
Oh, I love that.